Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's metal sculptor Kevin Stone here. Today, join us on an exciting journey as we mount the latest sculpture to its base, meticulously polish it to a mere finish, and finally package it for shipping to Cabo, Mexico. Witness the artistry and precision that goes into each step of this process as we bring this masterpiece to life. Get ready to be amazed, inspired by the craftsmanship of our team. Let's dive into this fascinating process together.
Well, that's better. It is.
Okay.
It is, yeah. It's pretty close.
I thought I had a sandwich. Go around that bench. You can set it on the bench if you want. Lucky it's the morning and my armpits are fresh,
I was thinking that.
I don't know. Beauty. We're getting there, eh?
Yeah. That's better. Is that it?
It's helping. Wow. Welder quick.
Is it perfect?
That was a yes.
That looks good.
It looks what?
It's almost perfect.
Almost.
Whoops. That was my glasses.
Afro circus, Afro. So what are you going to do with this?
What are you going to make him? Oh, you're filming? Maybe start over again.
No. How was that vision of yours?
What?
How was that vision of yours?
Wunderbar. So you're right, it does have to go up about 6 inches. Rock and roll. Well, didn't that work out nice and slick?
I got my ooh ooh, and I'm inside again. I feel boo boo. I'm kinda missing my friends. From the inside to the outside. Outside is where it's
Nice. 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 Wish we thought of this 3 hours ago. Right?
No kidding.
all these lines?
Yes.
That's from the flapper, right?
Yeah.
And the grinding disc? So I'm using brown to get those uglies out because they're deep. And nothing will take them out except for the brown.
Yeah.
And then I'm working it. I'm working it till, if you look at it close, you can see that it's getting smooth in here. These scratches are almost all gone.
Yeah.
Get the light in there so you can really see what you're doing. Right? Move around so you get the light in there and you can see those little reflections. Looks like it to me. Huh?
Yeah.
Really? How dirty that is? Better clean that. Man.
What?
I feel like puking right now. How much work this is.
Yeah.
I'm on record for quitting. I quit. Today, Kevin Stone, February, March 5th,
Something like that.
my final day. I retired today.
He left the Buick to me.
Check out the bottom.
How you feeling, Josh?
Butthole's all puckered up.
Butthole's all puckered out. down to the States. We're cutting the wheels off, we've got it blocked up, and we'll get it all rigged up and ready to lift onto the truck when he gets here. So that's our day today. Goodbye, Cabo, Mexico sculpture.